Java versus Python. What are the differences? Both are programming language. If you see, both are the programming languages used to write codes. The only difference between these two is that Python supports artificial intelligence, whereas Java doesn't support artificial intelligence. Capability wise, both are equally capable. It's just that Python is more famous these days because of its ability to support artificial intelligence and machine learning. And if you are in a dilemma to choose which one to learn, I would say it doesn't really matter which language you learn because Python can never overtake Java or Java can never overtake Python. Both are equally in demand in the industry right now. The companies that build softwares in Java will hire Java developers, and the companies that prefer Python to build their softwares will hire Python developers, obviously. So, job wise, both the developers will have equal opportunities. So, it doesn't really matter which language you choose. The thing that you need to know is that Python has the capability to support artificial intelligence, whereas Java doesn't support it.